us. I'm thinking, you, okay. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm like, this is all us.
So we done just took over somebody's booth.
Yep, you're the new guy.
That's ridiculous. That is a nice trigger.
You got big hands.
Do they all have external safety?
Yeah, most 1911s are going to have it.
Do they have a grip safety? Do they have a decocker? Is that the... What's 4 and a... Is that 4 and a quarter?
Grip safety and a safety.
Just 3.5. That's 3.5, that's 4 and a quarter.
Oh yeah, y'all know I'm in love. Y'all already know. I have to shoot that one. Gotta come back and shoot that one.
Yeah, that's a must.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm a big M&P fan.
He's gonna pull the trigger once and think about it and say,
You'll pause and be like,
did it go off?
All right, now when I come back to shoot it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hold you to that now. So tell me, what's your company name?
Tampa Gunwerx. So we do
Tampa Gunwerx. Okay, okay.
We do all the porting, all the 5 million services. So mainly ports. That's our bread and butter. We do optic cuts, serration cuts, and then Cerakote and some other stuff.
Okay.
Gray RAV4. Please tell me anybody drive a gray RAV4.
Billy. It's my wife's car, dog.
Go.
You forgot the baby in the car, okay?
I tell you, Bill can come on the Prius.
Can I get everybody's attention, please? Everybody's attention, please. We will be getting started here in about 15 minutes. We let people get parked and still arriving. When we do start, before we go completely hot, we're going to allow some of our cool sponsors to get some of the firearms sighted in. We're going to give them about 5 minutes to do that. Then we'll do what's called Minute of Mayhem. Well, it'll be first come, first served. We'll get up to the line and we'll kick off range day. So give us about 15 minutes to allow people to get parked. We'll let the sponsors get sighted in, and then we'll be going hot. That's it. Thank y'all.
How you guys doing today?
Doing good.
Good, how are you, man?
Doing real good. Doing real
Good
good.
day.
Yeah, I'm excited to get a closer look and shoot some of these. I think I shot some of the SARs
They're gonna ruin you.
at a couple of places, you know. So I'm excited. I'm learning more about the brand, and
Very cool.
yeah, this will be my first time really getting a
Answer all the
chance to
questions we
shoot.
can for you. If we don't know the answer, we'll make one up.
All right, we can do that. We'll take that. We'll take that.
No, nothing to do with them damn things. I shoot them, hit them with a shovel every time I see them. I'm not a fan. No. But I know
So that's what I plan on doing. So I was looking into that and then trying to figure that all out, how to do that. And it just so happens that
I'll give you my contact too. Like, tag, follow, all those good things. I ran cameras highway for a lot of years. So like,
All right, y'all. These are my friends over here at Georgia Canco. Another Georgia company. Y'all know I love my Georgia companies. What's up, fellas? All right, they're ready to go. Let's see, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That's the baby. Y'all already know how I feel about them MP5s. And we got Owr Armament. Big Dre, 357. What's happening, brother?
Man, what's good with you, man?
Good to see you, man. It's so good to see you, bro. I'm doing good, man. Say when we was down in South Georgia, I ain't even make it to the rifle side.
I don't have them with me. That's why I got the switches.
All right, here he is. Y'all already know.
Yeah. You know,
The king of Bumpfire, Mr. Bumpfire himself.
Got a couple fun guns out
Got
here.
the toys out here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We know how y'all do
Like
it.
dead rain. Like dead rain. We're gonna make some noise down here.
Yes, sir. This is where the ammo gonna go fast at down here.